So now, today that we are going to discuss, okay. So now, the next topic is I will share you the course. I will share you the content actually, tasks. Okay. Let me. It's having things. Here we can discuss. Okay. So till now, what is the things that we discussed? What we are going to do? All these things we discussed. Okay. Yesterday. What we are going to do? Like in orally, I mean to say, what I can say, like theoretically, I explained everything from here to here. We are going to explain each. Now we are started explaining each and everything. Correct? Right. So now coming to yesterday, we discussed first thing what how to enable these things. Correct. How to enable in the sense how to enable payroll for one country. What should be the options we supposed to choose over here? Now, I'm going to explain. See, this manage key flex fields and value sets and manage cost allocation key flex fields. This is a topic that I am going to discuss today. Okay. So now, let me manage key flex fields. This is a topic, correct? Very busy. Now I'm explaining key flex fields. Since we are discussed descriptive flex fields as well as extensible flex fields. These two flex fields we are already discussed. Okay. And I told you we have another type of flex fields also, that is key flex fields. Okay. Key flex fields also that we have. I told you whenever we are discussed DFF, I told you that we have another type also that we are going to discuss in payroll. Okay. Now come here. First of all, I will explain you for what purpose we will create this key flex fields. Okay. Where we use those things. For what purpose that we use those things. Let me. Come here. Manage enterprise HCM information. And let me open. Come here and another thing. Click on it. Now just give a blank search. See, now just observe over here. This is make key flex fields. These are the key flex fields. By using the manage key flex fields task, we can create flex fields. Okay, that is well and good. What are the key flex fields that we supposed to work on if you are working on payroll module? Just try to connect the dots. Just we will use two key flex fields. First one is come here people group key flex fields as well as casting key flex fields. Casting key flex fields we will use in perfectly for the payroll. Now coming to people group key flex fields, PPG. This is also key flex fields. Cast. This is also key flex fields. So now what I am trying to explain, we will use, okay, we use cost allocation key flex fields as well as people group key flex fields. Got it? Now, key flex fields, we have so many types. See, suppose example, this is related to assets. Assets, these things, finance side they will use. This one is cost. Cost related things, finance will be, cash management team will do. General ledger, accounting purpose. This is also accounting purpose. This key flex fields used by not only which modules, global payroll and what's a human resource. It is also used from cost management, revenue management, product model. Remaining other modules also uses same flex fields, cost flex fields. See, now if by using, first I will explain you people group key flex fields, that is PPG over here. Now we will create flex fields in PPG. Raghu, okay, Raghu, if you are creating the key flex fields in PPG, where you can see this one. See, I just in another one, I just came to which one? Manage enterprise HCM information. Over here, click on people group flex field structure. Seen over here, people group flex field structure. Okay, okay, leave that. So if I am coming over here, if you see over here at the enterprise level, there is an option like people group flex field structure. Okay. And if you are observed or not observed, I told you at the legal entity level also, there is an option to choose people group key flex fields. Let me come here. Okay, over here only. Manage legal entity HCM information. Click on it. It will ask for some anything. You can choose manage it. Okay. Legal entity information. See, over here also we are using which ones are flex fields. People group flex fields. What does it mean? What does it mean? Let me open this legal entity. People who all are working under this legal entity. Okay. Try to listen very carefully. If you are listening for which purpose that we are creating this one, then it is very easy to understand remaining steps. Then okay. Okay. UK legal entity is given. Here, I want to search with the legal entity employee. Under this advanced, let me see. Do we have any options to choose? Add fields. Legal entity level. No, legal entity level we cannot search. Which country are it is? Alaska, something. California is there in the sense USA. I want to show you something like based upon the. Do we have? No, I think so. We don't have. Okay, see. Let me explain it to you. Okay, let me explain it to you. Or else I can show it to you in this way. 1 second. I'm just hiring an employee as I'm not able to get any employee under the this Sony legal entity. Hire a new person. Oh. Hire an employee. Okay, give some info. Over here, legal entity, which one that I have to choose? Okay, this one. Choose this one. Click on OK. Come down. You're observing or not observing, whenever we are hiring an employee, last name is mandatory. Okay. Now, these all are the DFFs we only created. Choose any one of them. Good. Click on next. Okay. Come down. Okay. Come down over here. See what it is asking for? What it is asking? It is asking for the people group, right? Just to click on search. What are the information that we are able to see over here? See, employee employee union name, work location, housing allowance, food allowance, and transport allowance. We just give like this. Okay, and like this I'm given. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. What is happened, sir? It is taking the information in this way. Means first one is W for first column, for first attribute, or else first segment. We can call it as an attribute or else segment. For employee union, W it is taking. Employee union name, wish it is. Work location, California. Housing allowance, yes. Food allowance, no. And transfer allowance, yes. If I'm clicking on OK, it is giving in which way, sir? In this way it is giving. Am I right or not? Yes. Now I will tell you. Now I will tell you. See, over here, if the requirement is, if your requirement is that you want to capture the information in this way, and if you want to capture the information at core HR level, global HR level, okay, what are the information that you want to capture? You want to capture the information like whether this employee is eligible for housing allowance and food allowance and transport allowance. Whenever that employee is getting hired, you can capture all these information. This information, we can use, in fast formulas. Okay, we can bring the where the people group information. That people group information, we can use it in the fast formulas, and we can write a fast formula like if the transport allocation value is yes, then this amount is eligible for this employee. In that way, we can write over there. So first of all, why we are creating, for what purpose we are creating, just to be mindful that one, then I will explain how to create those things. Okay. So now this is the purpose and this is the expected value that we will give. We can see if you are observed or not observed in enterprise level, nothing is kept. No people group is captured over there, but in legal employer level, one people group is captured. That is Walmart PPG structure instance. Come here, take this one. Okay, Flexwheel name, search. Okay, sorry, not here. It is under PPG, right? Where is people group? Okay. Now, click on manage structure instances. Search this one. Click on edit. You will see over here, see, employee union name, work location, housing allowance. These informations only that we are getting over there. Hello. Am I right or not? Hope you are understanding what we are going to create and how we are going, what we are going to create, that you understood, so that I will, next step is how to create. Hello.
Yes, sir. Raghu.
Hope you understood. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts? Mukesh, Akhil, Sai Kiran, Saushil.
No, no.
Okay. Share my screen again. Now, how to create, I will explain it to you. Click on cancel. Click on done. Okay. See over here. Okay. You have to choose for this one people group PPG. Okay, Flexfill. And then after, prior to the first option is manage structure. And then after option is manage structure instance. What is this one? What is this one? I will explain. Prior to that one, you have to check it should be in a deployment status. Already deployment is completed. It is deployed. It is edited, but not deployed. Okay. So status should be deployed status. Then after, click on manage structure. Over here, click on plus. I'm creating one structure. That structure is under the PPG. The name is new structure, new PPG. What I can say, click on outside. Hope this name is not big. Now, okay. Delimiter, which delimiter I want to show? I want to keep, if you want all, by choosing all the information should be separated by this delimiter. You can use this one. If you want, it should be separated by plus, then you can use plus. I'm choosing plus. Okay. Just to save, then plus button will be available over here. Click on save. Now, click on plus button. Now you can see. So this creation is more or less creation of segments only. DFF, we are creating segments, right? In the same way. Okay. So you may ask the question, Raghu, this information, why we capture? See, we have allowances, some of the allowances that we have. We will provide some allowances from the payroll perspective. For those allowances, we will give the privilege to the end users. They can choose for whom they want to provide this allowance. If they are just clicking on no, they can stop the allowance. By just clicking on yes, they can start the allowance. Okay, the information that we will capture into the fast forwards while we are running the payroll for those elements. Okay, now coming to name. Same name I'm giving over here. Okay, sequence I'm keeping one. Prompt I'm giving same thing only. Short prompt not required, same thing only I'm giving. Display width, I told you now, 10 to 15 is correct one. Range, low range or higher range. The range validate a pair of values. Specify if this value is set to the lower or higher end of the range. No, not required here. No need. Column name. Okay, under which segment that you want to keep. I'm choosing first segment. Default value set. You can even create a value set and attach it over there. And existing value sets will be there. Okay, just to take 30 characters, something will be there. This is just a format only one. Hope you know what is meant by format only one. Format only one in the sense nothing will be come over there. That zero will come over there. Just without choosing value set also, how that segment works in the same way, nothing will come. Over here, nothing is came up, right? If you are observed or not observed, when we are hiring an employee, over here, in this people group, if you are observed or observed, that nothing is coming over here, right? It's just a blank one, right? If you want it in this way, just click choose format only value set. This value set is format only value set. See. Okay. Raghu, can I create? I want a list of value over here. I want a list of value over here. Over here it should come. Yes or no. List of value I want. Yes, Raghu. You can go there, manage value set. Oh, go there and create list of value sets. Over there, you can give two values, that is yes and no. These two values you can By using these two values, you can create a value set. Come here and attach that value set over here. Okay. And be mindful, choose the domain should be, domain in the sense, the module should be global human resource. Okay. Now, I'm not doing all those things, sir. Why? Because those stuff we have already completed it while creating the DFA. Just click on save over here. Okay. Save and close. I'm just saving and closing. See over here it is coming. Then after create another one. Okay. See. Click outside. API name will be by default. It will choose prompt. You know what is mean by prompt. Based upon this prompt only, it will come over there. Name I'm giving same one. Short prompt also I'm giving same one. This enabled one. Display width I'm choosing 12. Okay. No range is given. Column name I'm giving segment 2. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Save. Sequence I'm giving 2 over here. Save and close. Now just choose another one. Click outside. Segment I'm choosing 3. Value set, same thing I'm choosing over here 30. Okay. Just save and close. Sequence I'm giving 3. Save and close. Fourth one I'm giving trade union. Okay. Clear? Segment 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All are enabled. Good. Now, this is what we created, sir. It is flex wheel structure we are creating. Just to click on save. And then after save and close, click on done. Okay. Come here. Come here. Where is PPG? Choose this PPG. Okay. Deploy this flex wheel. So once multiplied, whatever we are created, it is available. Just click on OK. Now come here, choose people group and come to manage structure instances. Choose this one, then after choose this one. Okay. Now I'm creating, what is this name that we use? Choose this name, right? I'm using same name and instance. Okay. Now, search this one. Create a new one. Create new one. Okay. Now what we are creating, sir? We are creating structure instance. Why, Raghu? Why we are creating a structure instance? We are already created the structure, right? Again, structure instance, why should we create that one? See, why should we create in the sense, suppose example, if you seen or not seen, over here, which one is attached over here, sir? Structure instance we are attached. Over here, which one it is asking? Structure instance only it will ask to attach. See, whatever the things that we are created under the structure, we have to use the structure. Okay, let me show it to you what we will do over here. Okay, come here. Which one we created, sir? Just now. This one only, right? Hello. Choose that one.
Yes, Raghu.
These all are the things, structure instances. I will give you one best example to you. Don't get confused. In structure, we have housing allowance and school allowance, nursery allowance,
Food allowance.
trade union. Okay. But I have legal entity 1. I have legal entity 2. And I have legal entity 3. I don't want, I want only these 3 in legal entity 1. I want these 3 in legal entity 2. I want only these 2 in legal entity 3. In this scenario, what we will do, we will create, this is structure, sir. Structure consists all the segments. Structure instance consists what is required for the legal entity. We will create a structure instance by using the structure segments. Okay. We will create a structure instance and we will attach it at the legal entity level. Okay. By
Okay.
using this one. Come here, choose this one. Okay. Click on this, edit that one, displayed, choose not displayed. Click on OK. It will not display. And I don't want nursery allowance also. That's why click on over here. Displayed, click on uncheck. Okay. Now come. Understood? This is enabled and I just enabled these 2 things only. Then you will get the doubt. What is this dynamic combination creation allowed? So see over here, just to keep your cursor over there. Okay. So it is not allowing you. See, what does it mean? Suppose example, you are opened this structure instance from your login. Some other people also doing, some other developer, other consultant also doing changes on this same structure instance. Other developer, other consultant is also doing the same change, other changes, some other changes on same structure. So it will take all the changes, means the changes happening from this developer and changes are happening on this one, on this instance from this developer. It will take dynamically and it will show us what? The deployment. After deploying, it will show differently. Okay, what is expected from the all the developers. Okay, so now simply we can do the changes dynamically here, means multiple logins also we can do the same thing. Just save and save, save and close. Click on done. Now come down, choose this people group. Okay. Click on deployment.
Raghu, in payroll also we give that global human resource only.
Ha. It is you are observing or not observing the module over here. It is global human resource. It is the people group is will come under the core HR only, core HR module only. But the usage of this one mostly in the payroll. That's the reason we will explain it in the payroll module. But it will be handled by core HR team as well as payroll. Mostly we will handle this one. Payroll team only handle this.
Okay.
Come
Understood.
here. Come here. And now what is the next step, sir? What is the next step that you have to do? You have to come down over here. If total organization wants to follow the same structure, total enterprise, then you have to attach it over here. Or else come here. Okay. Click on done. Or else if you want to correct this one, just click on correct.
అంటే కోరెచ్ఆర్ వాళ్ళు మొత్తం క్రియేట్ చేసినాక వాళ్ళు చెక్ చేస్తారా పేరోల్ టీం వాళ్ళు ఇది?
No, payroll team only will do this one mostly.
అంటే ఈ పార్ట్ వారికి పేరోల్ టీమా లేకపోతే ఓవరాల్?
I didn't understand what you said. What's your
ఇప్పుడు టాపిక్ చెప్పింది కోరెచ్ఆర్ వాళ్ళు టీం మొత్తం అది ఎంటిటీ మొత్తం ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ అది చేసినాక ఆ పార్ట్ కాడికే పేరోల్ చేస్తారా అంటున్నా.
That part is totally handled by payroll in some of the organizations. But some of the companies, it will be handled by core HR team. But the thing is, it is mostly used by core HR payroll team only. Mostly used that function, that feature is used in the payroll module only. So we should well aware of that one.
ఓకే
Okay.
ఓకే.
If you are working on core HR and payroll, that you have to do all those things, right?
ఎస్ ఎస్.
Come here. Search. This is the instance that we are created. And just click on submit. Submitted. Any legal entity. Click on done. Again, go here. This one, right? Created. Yes, this one only we have created. Now, here also click on done. Click on done. Now, come here. Come here. Okay, it's a new hire only, right? Click on cancel. Click on OK. Hire an employee. Legal employer. Sony legal entity I'm choosing. Okay. Anyone can answer why it is automatically coming? Why automatically local enter is coming over here? Anyone knows?
Once again, tell me, Ravi.
Hmm?
Once again, tell me, Ravi.
This enter local name, it is automatically chosen over here. How it is coming? Anyone knows?
We have enabled.
They choose that automatically in,
There is a task, right? We are explained.
yeah.
Click on next. Just okay, coming.
Raghu, this is the low level for this structure, or is there any other low level?
Low level part in the sense.
Means, is there any other, can we assign it at a department level or something?
Still, it is not a department. No, only legal entity level.
Okay.
Still, it is not showing. Why it's not showing? The synchronization issue it is getting.
Logout and login. Ravi.
You need to done. Done. It's already attached, no? It's already there.
Try to log out and login. Ravi. Once.
Yeah, need to do the same.
Like, your screen is not visible, Raghu.
Ah,
Your screen is not visible.
let me log in. Okay, logged in. Let me see if it is comes or not comes. Some people are doing some changes on same thing. So, let me see. Yeah, still it is not visible here. It should come. Maybe synchronization issue is taking a lot of time to synchronize. Need to log out and log in, something should done. We're already assigned, right? Over here. It should come. Try it from your end. It will come, not a problem. Maybe there are two scenarios. In that scenario, what you have to do in the sense, why it is not coming in the sense, there are two things. maybe synchronization issue, or else for existing legal entity already previous people group is there. We are removed that one and chosen another one, right? Maybe that is the issue. Maybe some people are already assigned previous people group. So it may be also the issue. So the thing is, in order to get the such, in order to avoid those things, you have to create a new legal entity and assign this people group and hire an employee by choosing that legal employer. That is the only way. Understood? Hello. Hope you understood what I'm
Yes,
trying.
Anna.
Understood.
Yes,
Say
Anna.
why it is not coming over here in the sense, I will tell you. There are two things. What we created is correctly only. Nothing else is there. If you want to check this one, create new legal entity. Make it legal employer. Then after, hire an employee on the same legal employer. Okay. Then, okay, prior to this one, manage HCM, manage legal entity, HCM information. Attach people group. Okay. Attach people group. Instance only you can see. Hire an employee. We can see the got it. Any doubt? Okay. So this is a scenario that you have to do, then only it will come. Sometimes it comes if I am already, which one, sir? Already existing legal entity by removing old people group. I'm attaching new one in the sense. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it won't come. Why? Because it's not a existing environment, right? Synchronization issue will happens. But you create while you are creating a new legal entity, attaching this one in the sense, it's supposed to come, it should come. Okay. Why? Because you can even search it over here. Click on blank search. Come here. It is already deployed. Click on manage structures. Remove the spaces. See, it is already there and it is enabled also. I am sure it will come. It is enabled and it is deployed. 100% it will come. You can use my people group only, or else you can create by your own people group and create a legal entity in the HCM information, attach our whatever you created people group. Okay, clear or any doubt? Any other
No.
doubts here?
Clear.
Sai Kiran, Mahesh Reddy,
No, Anna. No, Anna.
Karnakar, Anjaneyulu, Akhil.
Yes.
Raghu, what is difference between DFF, EFF and KFF, Raghu?
So DFF in the sense where descriptive flexible, where if you want to capture extra information at the site level, whatever the site the business is requested. Okay. That is called as descriptive flexible.
Okay,
EFF
how many we have 30 attributes, correct? For in
correct.
DFF.
No, like character wise 30 we have and number wise we have 20
15.
something. So
15.
on each site level, DFFs that we can create here and there near to 60. And date and time and character and number. EFF in the sense extensible flex fields. If you want to capture group of information by choosing based upon the context value that we choose, means suppose example, employee is working based upon the project that he is working, that we want to capture some extra information. Suppose example, he is working on the Europe project. Then you want to capture more information at the site level. So here we are extending the flex field. So that is called as extensible flex field. Okay. Now, coming to key flex fields in the sense. Key flex fields in the sense, there are two types of key flex fields that we will use from the HCM perspective. One key flex field is people group key flex fields, where we can capture the information at the wait, sir, assignment level. And that information that we can use in the payroll perspective, mostly. Okay, here also in the key flex field that we will use, we can capture group of information. Understood, Anjanelu? Hello. Anjanelu, you only asked the question. Hope you understood. You can unmute.
I asked this question, Raghu. Sai Kiran asked this question.
Sai
Raghu,
Kiran.
yes, I asked this question. And one thing is, so which one we use mainly in real time in terms of EFF, DFF, and KFF?
See, DFF we will use if you want more information at the site level. Okay.
No, which one we use mainly in the real time scenarios? Means we
All
have
things
three
we will use,
flex
yeah.
fields.
All the things that we will use.
All
DFF
the-
we will use, EFF we will use, KFF also we will use. These three things we will use.
Based upon the client requirement. Correct, Raghu?
Sorry?
Based upon the client requirement, we will create. Okay.
Raghu, this is Jagan. Total, how many types of key flex fields do you
These three
have,
only. These three types only.
including core HR also?
Including core HR, we have these three types only.
Oh, we don't have any job position, grade, competency, personal analysis, bank details,
I didn't
collective agent, anything?
Sorry?
We don't have any other key flex fields. I mean, job position, personal analysis, bank details, anything? We don't have anything in?
I didn't got you. Key flex fields in the sense we have two types. See, over here itself we are searching that. I'm shared my screen. Let me share my screen. Key flex fields in the sense, just to click on manage key flex field, search this one, and just to do the global search. We have these all are the types of key flex fields that we have. Under these key flex field, we will use only people group and cost. This costing, whatever you are saying is, this cost flex fields. Suppose example, this people group flex fields, we are using at the hiring level. Am I right or not? At the hiring level, it is coming, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
But in costing, I will explain it to you tomorrow. This costing flex fields we can use, we can capture the information at 7 to 8 level. Okay,
Yeah.
8 levels that we can capture. That is, you are saying that position and job and element entry and person level, element eligibility level. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, yes.
So that one you are
Assignment level we will get.
assignment level. Okay, that is cost allocation flex field levels. That is okay.
Okay.
This
Okay.
one is people group. You can use it only assignment level, right? This cost allocation
Yes.
flex field that we can use, that we will capture,
Okay.
the information at several levels. Okay, that I will explain tomorrow. how we will capture in order to get those things, what we have to enable over here. Clear?
Okay.
Hmm.
Because previous versions we have different key flex fields, that's why I'm asking.
No, no. As we use, see, over here itself that you can see flex fields, global payroll, and which ones?
Global human resource.
It's a human resource, these two only.
Okay.
Is there any other things are related to our modules, our domain, sir? HCM mobile?
No,
The
no.
letter is for them. HCM people, that finance people will use. So over here itself it is giving, say, GL, key,
Mm.
XCC, CAT, ash. Okay,
Mm.
that's it. Any other doubts? No, right?
Yeah, Raghu, these
Again.
many fields it is there, right? So is there any fixed values for every fields, or how we will define the values in that? So you have
Fixed
defined the
value.
allowances, right? So then
See, if the requirement is over there, if you see, simply we are creating a housing allowance. Okay, I want to give the housing allowance to the Akil. From the development perspective, I can give the housing allowance for all the people who all are working under the India. Am I right or not? Developer perspective. Okay, and I'm giving the privilege to the end user, business. They can choose. They can choose yes or no over there. I will capture that yes or no information in the where my fast formula, where in the element level, so that I can define the eligibility. Understand what I'm trying to explain?
yes, Raghu, but we have to give we are giving in PPG only, right? We can choose other flexible.
Yeah. That's what now. Over there, value set is there now. Over there in the value set, yes or no that we can choose. We can give the list of values. We can give the you can make that one as a number, or you can make that one as a character. Whatever the information that you want, you can capture it over there. You know, right? Over there, value set option that you are getting while we are creating the instance.
Yes, Raghu, that I have understood. But my question is PPG. What? Why should only choose this PPG? We can choose other flexible fields, right?
Super question, Akhil. Very good, very super question. If you don't want to make, the fast formulas are critical, I don't want to make the things are critical. I don't want to make. Even in my project also, I suggested them to go with the DFF only, not with the PPG. Got it?
But no, Raghu, but
I
PPG is only belongs to global HR, no?
that what happens if I am using at that page, if I am using the this one.
No, basically what happens here when we, you navigate to the page, there it is showing PPG is for global HR, and we
Yes.
have payroll for different one. That might, what I understood, he asked it seems, see, why want to use only PPG, irrespective of we can use payroll like that. If you use payroll, that we can use it in core HR level, that like that is question.
Let me-
Can you please share your screen?